Hi, welcome to Edificio Atrium. It's a gated urbanization located in one of the most prestigious areas of the east of Marbella. It's called Bahia Marbella. From here, you're just a couple of minutes walking from the beach and you have all kinds of activity around, from golf course to paddle to water sports. This urbanization has 2 swimming pools, one for adults, one for children, and a big garden with a lot of tropical plants. Here we have a 3-bedroom apartment with breathtaking views on the seashore from its terrace. Come with me and let me introduce you to the property we have here.